Ever wondered how to get your car looking brand new again? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the simple yet effective steps to bring back that showroom shine to your beloved vehicle. Regular car cleaning not only enhances its appearance, but also extends its lifespan. Moreover, doing it yourself can be a rewarding experience. It's about time we rolled up our sleeves and breathed new life into our cars. So, are you ready to give your car the sparkle it deserves? First things first, gather all the cleaning materials you'll need. Let's start with car shampoo. This isn't your regular bathroom variety. Car shampoo is specially formulated to clean off dirt, grime, and road salt without damaging your car's paint job. Next up, microfiber towels. These aren't just any towels. They are ultra soft, non-abrasive, and super absorbent, perfect for drying your car and buffing it to a high shine without leaving scratches. Now let's talk about the car vacuum. This nifty tool comes in handy for cleaning the interior, removing dust and debris from the seats and floor mats. Wheel cleaner is another essential. This powerful solution cuts through stubborn brake dust and road grime on your rims, restoring their sparkle in no time. Finally, don't forget the glass cleaner. It gives your windows and windshield a streak-free shine for a clear view of the road ahead. Once you've gathered all these materials, you're ready to start the cleaning process. Now let's dive into the cleaning process, starting with the exterior. Firstly, we tackle the car body. Begin by hosing down the car to remove loose dirt and debris. Then, using a car-friendly soap and a soft sponge or mitt, start washing the car from top to bottom. Remember to rinse your sponge frequently to avoid scratching the paint with dirt particles. Once done, rinse the soap off before it has a chance to dry. Drying soap can leave unsightly spots on your car. Next, we move on to the wheels. These can often be the dirtiest part of your car, so they may need a bit more elbow grease. Use a wheel cleaner and a stiff, bristled brush to scrub off brake dust and road grime. Make sure to rinse thoroughly to avoid any cleaner residue. Now, let's make that glass sparkle. Using an auto glass cleaner, wipe in a circular motion before buffing with a microfiber cloth. Avoid using household glass cleaners as they can damage car window tint. A few pointers to keep in mind. Always clean your car in the shade and never in direct sunlight. Sunlight can cause the soap to dry faster than you can rinse it off, leading to those dreaded soap spots. With the exterior shining bright, it's time to move inside. Cleaning the interior is just as important as the exterior. Your car is like a second home, and keeping it clean can make your rides more pleasant and relaxing. Let's dive into the process. First off, vacuuming. Start with the seats, making sure to remove any loose debris or crumbs that might be hiding in the crevices. Don't forget the floor mats and carpeting. A thorough vacuuming here can make a world of difference in the overall cleanliness of your car. Now let's move on to the dashboard. This is often the most overlooked part of a car's interior, but it's also the most visible. Start by wiping it down with a microfiber cloth to remove dust. Then, use a specific cleaner designed for dashboards to eliminate any stubborn dirt and grime. Next up, the windows. You've already taken care of them on the outside, so let's give them some attention on the inside too. Using a window cleaner, spray and wipe in a vertical motion to avoid streaks. Remember, clean windows not only look good, but they also improve visibility while driving. And finally, a few tips for maintaining your car's interior cleanliness. Regularly remove trash, avoid eating inside the car if possible, and consider investing in some car seat covers to protect against spills and stains. And there you have it, a car that shines from the inside out. There's nothing quite like seeing your car looking brand new again. We've walked through the process together, gathering the right materials, scrubbing the exterior, and tidying up the interior. Each step, a testament to the value of regular upkeep. Ensuring your car's cleanliness not only preserves its aesthetic appeal but also its worth. Remember, a clean car is a happy car, and a happy car means a happy driver. So what are you waiting for? Give your car the cleaning it deserves and enjoy the ride.